full of liquor, then we dive in it. Pull him to the side, let me slide in it.
That's it, her eating this. What that soup called? Let me see that soup can. Where that soup can at? Okay. So
he looking at you, lady.
They see her trying this ghost peppers chicken noodle soup over here, guys. My mother and my brother. See me, I ain't trying that. No. How does out of 1 out of 10? How does it feel?
It's like a 9 right
Yeah,
now.
it's only a 9.
A 9?
But it gave me the hiccup, so I'm
shit.
pretty.
Okay.
But like, it is hot. Like, this ain't no joke, bro. Like, even the chicken's hot. You can see the chicken got the seasoning.
The boyfriend is pulled in the yard and backing out. What?
Out of 1 out of 10, how that feel?
I don't know.
She don't know.
But my stomach is starting to hurt. I bet the fuck it do. What the hell? You know how that soup? Hell no. I ain't fucking around with it, baby. No. I can't do it. You got this one, lady.
Who got what? I ain't got that.
You got she said I ain't got nothing.
I got nothing. Y'all tripping.
Hell no. Them some strong motherfuckers. Nephew gonna say, I need something to drink.
You got that other can.
She said that's your other can. Hey, pass him.
Nobody wants to eat that. So we just said,
She said it passed him. Me, Lily _ noise
She said, pass me. He said, hold up. We got pass me.
What's going on my YouTube channel? Just let y'all know.
Why?
oh, it get hotter.
Just let y'all know. Just going on my YouTube channel.
No, the hell it ain't. Don't put me on YouTube.
I mean,
Where you going?
I mean, you already in it, but okay.
Hey, she done eating it. She said she's done with that.
You took 2 bites.
You can never give me nothing else.
That's a damn.
Oh my gosh.
You guys are like ugly, man.
No,
Yeah.
it's going right on my YouTube channel too. She was in it. She in his YouTube channel too.
It is.
Yep, she in it. Everybody that ate it is everybody that's ate it is in his YouTube channel. It's getting posted to his channel. So it's burning y'all. It's burning y'all insides.
This shit is hot. Like, it looks clear.
They want me to cool it down.
I feel like I'm breathing like.
And you still sitting there eating it. Stop eating
Everybody tell you to make this stuff that they ain't gonna have.
Stop eating it, man.
You ain't making that how that shit came like
It
that.
came like that.
Yeah. See, it's right here.
Chicken noodle soup.
It came like that.
Chicken noodle.
Fall off. I said, what the fuck? Like, why the fuck did you?
What you doing with the bowl?
Like, the fuck?
It's me, Lily. Y'all ready? Oh, I'm going behind them.
Hey, girl, I made you some chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup.
Homemade chicken noodle soup. Homemade chicken noodle soup. Homemade. You ever had homemade?
You had that before? It's
You gotta
good.
taste
Oh my
it,
god,
taste it,
that's
taste
good,
it.
man. You gotta taste it.
Homemade chicken noodle
That
soup.
good.
Hey, it's that real good shit.
Go ahead.
Why you acting like that?
Let me get some. Ain't no more name.
Angel, what's wrong, man? You don't like the chicken noodle soup, man?
You trying to kill me? You trying to kill me?
No.
What's wrong? It's okay. It's that hot?
Y'all still ain't eating that? That's a shame.
So on a scale of 10, how hot is it?
How hot is it? 10. Yeah, leave man.
You what? You said you ain't eat no more. He said I'm gonna eat some cereal.
What's in there? What's in there? What'd you do? They didn't offer me none?
Get hotter. And hotter.
So y'all sat there and ate that. Couldn't be me.
That was like
Oh, really? Oh my God.
Which one? The first one? You want to stop on the first one? Or the second one? I don't see how the fuck y'all sat there and ate that shit.
My eyes are literally starting to tear.
you.
Y'all some strong motherfuckers.
It's not for professionals. We just gonna say that. If you're not a professional, then don't do this shit, bitch.
Right, you're not a professional. Do not attempt to do this, create this, recreate this.
Bitch, don't
at the
do
house.
it, bitch. Don't do it. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is hot. Like,
They say warning.
even the
Yeah,
carrots,
warning.
the noodles, like the fucking celery, and that shit little as shit.
Ah!
It's hot.
Should've got just made
What
it.
the fuck?
I bet you your ears burning, ain't they?
The juice gonna be the worst part.
Yep.
Your ears burning too?
She said the juice gonna be the worst part. 'Cause
It's
they
too hot.
gotta drink the juice.
We'll see how the fuck y'all did that. I don't know. And y'all I'm looking at y'all. Y'all struggling right now.
Right.
The hell? Take a bite. Shit.
You know, I said I was gonna put some cayenne pepper on that.
Hey, you just playing up shit right there. Oh my God.
A lot.
She would have been really like goddamn.
Cayenne pepper. Oh, so shit that's already is a fire?
And I hope they cut us. Whether they like it